Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my go-to lazy girl glow up routine for those days when I just can't be bothered to do much. So let's get dive into it. So after face wash, starting off my routine with a double cleansing. For that I'm using this raw milk, that is raw milk. I will be using this cotton pad for cleansing my face by dipping this into a raw milk, and I will just apply it on my skin. And it doesn't only effectively removes the dirt without stripping away the natural moisture, but it also nourishes and moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. And yeah, it is really effective. You can include it in your every morning routine also, as it doesn't clog any pore and it's just natural cleansing agent. So for the second step of the routine, that will be a face scrubbing. So for that I'm taking rice flour. In that I will be adding some raw milk. I will just mix it up into a thin texture like this. And here we are ready to apply it. So I will just scrub with it like normally as we do. The rice flour and milk scrub is rich with the starch and vitamins A and C, which helps to remove dead skin cells and brighten your skin. Milk contains a lactic acid which helps your skin to be softened, and it just keeps your skin moisturized. Scrubbing also removes the blackheads or whiteheads from your nose area or chin areas, but for those who are stubborn ones, I use this blackhead remover stick, and it's just my I have been using it since a long time just to remove the whiteheads from my nose and also from my chin areas, as I just can't tolerate them. So for the up next and the final step of my routine, I'll be making a face pack from the gram flour, and the second ingredient that I will be taking is a raw milk. So in that I will add honey, and after that I will be adding some turmeric to this face pack, and I will just mix it up to an even paste and until it gets a texture like this. So as it is ready, I will apply it all over my face, and this gives instantly clearness to my skin and it improves the hydration. The milk and honey moisturizes the skin, while the turmeric is an anti-inflammatory properties. So yeah, after applying it, I will just keep it for 10 minutes, and after that I will just wash it off. So for the last but not the least, I will be using this Joy honey and almond cream. It's super moisturizing and it provides deep nourishment to my skin. So I will just take a little amount of it and apply it all over my face. I will give a 2 minute of massage with it to my skin. So that's it for my go-to lazy girl skincare routine, and that's quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give these tips a try for yourself, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye for now.